Hey guys, and welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on my channel today. Anyways guys, I'm gonna make this video for you guys. This is a video on if you're just starting out in Minecraft and you don't know how to survive the first or second or third night. Well, this is a very basic video guys on how to get started. So there's a nice dog here. Anyways guys, we're gonna get started with chopping down trees because we need wood. So that is the first thing guys, and I don't have any pickaxes or anything, but for now I'm gonna have to use my fist. Imagine in real life guys, if you use your fists, they'll be like, all hurt and like bleeding, but in Minecraft you sort of have to start off like that guys. And that dog there, it's barking, it looks like it needs an owner. But anyways, I'm busy. I need to collect all the wood guys, so I'm gonna collect some more wood here guys. So after this guys, we're gonna make a pickaxe so we can cut down trees a little more quicker. It's taking some time guys, as you see. It's just taking a long process here. Okay, I would say 7 is enough, so we're gonna click the 3 arrows here and we're gonna make a crafting box. But before that, we have to turn our wood into oak planks. I'm gonna put 8, and also I'm gonna make some sticks there. I'm gonna make some. Oh, I'm gonna make a crafting box here now. There we go. So we're good. So I'm gonna lay down the crafting box right here, guys. I'm gonna click on it, and now I want to make a pickaxe. So I'm gonna click on that, and I need 2 pieces of sticks, guys, and 3. Um, pretty much is that as I click on it, guys. That's 3 oak planks. So I really have to get some oak planks, guys. So we're gonna make those. Perfect. I'll make a couple more. We got 12, and we can make some more sticks. Perfect. So now guys, we can make the pickaxe. Okay, so for now I'm gonna take this crafting box back guys, and we're gonna continue on the journey guys. So now we got a wooden pickaxe. I'll show you guys right here. That is so much quicker than using your fist. Okay, so I'm gonna chop down some more trees guys, because we're gonna need it eventually. But more important than that guys, we need to find 3 sheep. So you might ask, why are we finding sheep? Well, the reason is because we need to make a bed before it gets dark. And guys, I'm warning you guys, if we don't have a bed before night, then we could potentially die on day 1, and we don't want that to happen guys. So we're gonna have to go hunting guys in the forest here. So it's pretty exciting to find the animals you need, but it's a journey guys to find them. You sort of have to go like hunting. So, and through the ways you have to cut down trees, you have to camouflage guys. Okay, so we need 3 sheep guys, and you can also stand on top like this and do a lookout. I see something over there. That's a bird in the water, but I don't see any right now. So I'm gonna have to just keep walking around and looking for sheep. That's just how you do guys when you're starting off. But you need a bed guys. So let's try to hunt for something guys. And if you see some cows or pigs on the way, you guys can kill it too, because the 3 main things we're gonna need is we're gonna need shelter, we're gonna need a bed, and we're gonna need food. So we're gonna get this cow here guys. So we're just gonna get the pickaxe, and oh, he's hiding from us. Whoa. Okay, so there we go guys, we got the steak. We're gonna be eating good tonight. Sorry we had to sacrifice him, but it's okay, don't worry. I need to get back up here guys, so I'm gonna chop down this. Perfect. I'm gonna chop down that tree, and I'm gonna make some steps on my way back up guys, because I don't want to fall down, because if I fall down I'm gonna be losing some hearts, and you know how that goes guys. Okay, let's get back up guys. Perfect. Okay, so we see some sheep over here, guys. I see a black sheep, so I can get that sheep, and then I see a gray sheep. So it's good, guys, because sheep are nearby. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna get the sheep too, guys. Oh. And guys, it will actually be quicker if I have a pickaxe, so I'm gonna quickly craft a pickaxe, guys. So I click on that box. I'm gonna get this pickaxe, and I need some more planks. Perfect. I'm gonna get that pickaxe there, make 2 of them for backup. Okay, hopefully we can still track down that sheep there. Okay, let's see, where did you go? Okay, there's one here. Perfect. Okay, nice. And looks like I just got 2. Yeah, so I need some more. Need some more wool. So I got 1 white wool, 1 light gray wool, and also I had a black wool that I placed down somewhere right here, guys. So I'm gonna get that one there. So I'm pretty sure when you make a bed, you just need 3 wool. Let's see if it can be different colors. So we got the bed, guys. So we need to lay down, guys, the crafting box. So we just had it, guys. I'm not sure where it is. Wasn't it? Didn't I put it down, or do I still have it? Because I don't see it. Oh, there we go. It was in my chest. Okay, guys, we're gonna put down the box here. Click on it, and we're gonna search for a bed. So we need white wool, guys. That's the thing. But we need it to all be the same type of wool, guys. That's the problem here. So we gotta keep going, guys. We gotta hunt for more sheep, okay? Because it is getting dark soon, guys. And before it gets too dark, we need to have a bed at least, guys, so we can sleep through the night. So we're trying to survive, guys. That's why it's called survival. So hopefully we find something, guys. Okay, let's see what we can find. There we go, guys. We got our next target. Okay, perfect. And I'm gonna jump back up, guys. And I need 1 more, guys, because sun is going down. Okay, 1 more, guys. Come on. Oh, I hear something, guys, but I don't exactly see it. Okay, gotta do a little search, guys. I'm gonna do a little circle, guys, around here. Oh, what do I see here? No. Oh, I see something. Yep, perfect. Got the sheep. Okay. Okay. Nice. So now I'm gonna lay down my crafting table here, guys. Click on it. I'm gonna make a bed. I can make a bed. Perfect. Okay. So now I got my bed. I got some supplies. Good. I got my crafting table, guys. And now we can build a little area to sleep for the night. But for now, I'm just gonna sleep underneath a tree. Feel like it'll be the safe area. So there we go, guys. We are making it through the first night, guys. And there we go. We have our bed still now. And now day 2, guys. Day 2 is all about building something great, you know, like it's about building a shelter. And you guys can pick whatever you guys want to build, to be honest, because you survived the first night. So now all you have to do is just rinse and repeat, guys. You have to chop down trees.